Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Christopher Kudlasik and Rebecca Knowles.
I'm here.
Twyla Corey, guardian ad litem.
Oh, and no Chris.
Ms. Corey, this is on your request. Anything you want to tell
Yes.
me what's contained in the?
Not everybody's here.
Yes, they are.
Go ahead.
So weekend before last, I believe.
That's wrong.
the-
It's 4 weekends ago, a month ago.
Ma'am, that's the last time you're going to interrupt. You understand? Go ahead, Ms. Corey.
Thank you. So the child, Aza, went to her mother's new residence in Kalama. There was a physical altercation. Police were called. I believe you have that narrative from the police report. This is at least the third time that there has been a physical altercation between the two with the police called out. So I have one in police reports from February of this year, June of this year, and this most recent one in November. I believe that this has become a situation that the child cannot escape from. She cannot heal from until she has some distance from her mother. She is afraid of her mother. The mother's home has been unstable and volatile in recent days, and I believe that it's my responsibility to ask the court to keep this child safe and ask that she have supervised visits and that mother get a domestic violence evaluation, a psychological evaluation, and I believe a immediate hair follicle test.
All right. Ms. Knowles, I need you to unmute that microphone now. All right. What do you want to tell me, ma'am? What do you want to tell me?
Yeah, my daughter has assaulted me because she's asked to do stuff. She's put her hands on me multiple times. I've pressed charges because it's gotten to that point. And I'm not going to do supervised visits or anything because it's ridiculous. My daughter and I just had a perfect weekend this past weekend. The weekend before that, she didn't want to take her dog out to go to the bathroom, so she shoved me down the stairs. It's not the first time. She's on a deferred disposition right now for assaulting me.
So your position is you won't do any kind of supervised visits?
Do what? I can't hear you.
Is your position that you won't do supervised visits with her?
I'm not paying to do supervised visits when I had my daughter for 8 years, and then she runs away because she gets in trouble for assaulting me, and then she gets told she can stay where she's at. There's no reason.
Okay. And what's today's urinalysis test going to look like?
Clean?
Okay. Mr. Kudlasik, anything you want to say?
No, sir. I'm kind of the same position as Twyla Corey is.
All right. Well, given Ms. Corey's concerns, what's going on, and Ms. Kudlasik or Ms. Knowles' presentation today, I'm going to suspend visits at this point. Knowles, you are to take a UA today. And apparently she's going away. So,
Oh, I'm right here. My son's underneath me.
you're to take a UA today, get those results to Ms. Corey immediately. You understand?
What about me finding drugs in my daughter's purse this weekend on visit?
Are you
Aza needs a
hearing what
UA.
I'm saying? Are you hearing what
Aza
I'm
needs a
saying?
UA.
You're going to take a UA today, make sure Ms. Corey gets the results. And
What about me finding drugs and drug paraphernalia in her belongings on my visit this weekend?
I'm concerned about the adults today. and those who hopefully act like adults. I'm less concerned about you.
And I'm concerned about the 12-year-old that has drugs at my house.
Okay, I would be too. I'd probably be approaching it different than you're trying to right now, too.
Yeah, I didn't get anything. You didn't send me a message or nothing like that. You found anything on her? So
No, I filed a
figured you
contempt.
would have.
Okay, all right, I'm not gonna listen to you two argue with each other. You can do that on your own time.
Okay, well, I'm not paying for anything. I literally have surgery in an hour for my arm.
Okay, so yeah, if you don't pay for it, then it's not gonna happen, and we won't have to change too much.
And
We'll put it on to December 20th.
I want a UA for Chris.
We're gonna put it on for December 28th. Ms. Corey, if you don't have a UA and some cooperation from Ms. Knowles, you won't have to do too much. That will be all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.